To understand adding and subtracting rational expressions, you must first understand how to add and subtract fractions, like this problem, and this problem, and this problem. After all, rational expressions are just big fractions. So let's take a look at how to add fractions. Look at this first problem. 2 over 11 plus 3 over 11. Well, when you add or subtract fractions, you need a common denominator. Okay, and they call these like fractions. Look at this word over here, like fractions. All right, and if you remember, like fractions go together, right? They like each other. Oh. Okay, so let's go ahead and add them. We have the same denominator, 2 over 11 plus 3 over 11. And when you add 2 elevenths plus 3 elevenths, what do you get? Well, you get 5 elevenths. Let's look at the next problem. 1/8 plus 5/8. Right? Well, you know 1/8 plus 5/8 is going to give you 6/8, but let me show you a different way. Really what you're doing is you're adding the numerators and the denominator stays the same. So I could write this as 1 plus 5 over 8. Okay, just to show you another way that you might look at this. And in the numerator, 1 plus 5 combines to be 6, and now I have 6 over 8. Now, 6 over 8 is not simplified. I need to simplify this. So to simplify a fraction, you can ask yourself what goes into both of them, or you could turn it into factors, which is what I like to do. 6 is 2 times 3, and 8 is 2 times 4. And I know that 2 over 2 are going to reduce. So 6 over 8 is the same thing as 3 over 4. Okay, you always have to put your answers in the most simplified form. So we'll look at a problem where we have subtraction, right? And the same rules apply for addition and subtraction. You need a common denominator. Everything you're going to see in this section is already going to come with a common denominator. That's very nice. Next section, we're going to see where these two might not be the same. So if I have 10 over 9 minus 7 over 9, that's the same as 10 minus 7 over 9. 10 minus 7 is 3 over 9. And this reduces. 3 over 9 is the same as 1/3. Okay, I reduced that by a factor of 3. 3 goes into here once, 3 goes into here 3 times. All right, now let's look at adding and subtracting rational expressions. Okay, they're just big fractions. And you'll notice here that they have a common denominator. These are like fractions. So I'm going to rewrite this problem, and I'm going to rewrite it with a numerator of 8 minus 3. Now the denominator stays the same, 3y plus 5. Okay, and what's 8 minus 3? We can put that together. 8 minus 3 is 5 over 3y plus 5. The numerator is factored. The denominator is factored. Nothing cancels out. Remember, I can't cancel these two because this 5 down here is part of a polynomial. So I'm done. That's it. Okay, the denominator is already the same. I put together my numerators, and I am done.